Naked Leader Week 1071. 7 best-selling books rejected by 12 or more publishers. 1. Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, Robert Pirsig, 1974. 121 rejections. 4 million copies sold to date. 2. Chicken Soup for the Soul, Mark Hansen and Jack Canfield, 1993. 33 rejections. The Chicken Soup series has sold more than 33 million copies. 3. Jonathan Livingston Seagull, Richard Bach, 1970. 18 rejections. 10 million plus sold. 4. Lorna, Doone, Richard Blackmore, 1869. 18 rejections, millions sold and many film versions. 5. Dune, Frank Herbert, 1965. 13 rejections, called Confusing and Irritating, 12 million plus sold, and 2 film versions. 6. MASH, by Richard Hooker, 1968. 21 rejections before best-selling stardom, plus sequels and TV series. 7. A Time to Kill, John Grisham, 1988. 28 rejections, multi-million sales, and Grisham was the top-selling author of the 90s. Please love, adore, and celebrate rejection, and you will achieve anything you want in your life. #NeverGiveUp, with my love and best wishes to you all. David.